I'll start this video off by saying I work out on a pretty regular basis. I usually aim to work out 4 times per week, sometimes more or less. When I was paying off $35,000 in student loan debt, I alternated between at-home workouts and paying for a gym membership. I see the value in having access to weightlifting machines and group classes, but I also know how to use at-home workouts to get a good sweat in. As we're all stuck at home in quarantine, I wanted to test out 4 at-home workouts that you can do right here on YouTube. I got this idea from Monica Church, who did her own test experiment, but one thing I wanted to do differently is that I wanted all of my workouts to be roughly the same length of time and the same type of workout. So I chose to do a 20-minute full body workout with a 10-minute ab workout from each fitness channel. The fitness channels include Fitness Blender, MadFit, Chloe Ting, and Natasha Ocean. I still don't know. The format is pretty much the same too. They all show the instructor doing the workout with you along with a timer to show you how long to do the exercise for. So let's go ahead and hop into day 1. So the HIIT workout was awesome. I got a good sweat in. There is a lot of jumping involved in a lot of the Fitness Blender workouts, and this one in particular, there was a lot of jumping. So if jumping's not your jam, then I would not check out Fitness Blender, but I always love doing their workouts because I get a really good sweat in and I feel like I do work. And I was just checking on my watch what my heartbeat was during my workout. So I got my heartbeat up to 154 beats per minute, which is pretty good for me. I can usually max out like 165, 170 when I'm running. So I know that I get a good workout in this way. And the ab workout was intense. Multiple times I had to stop because I couldn't keep up with Kelly. And my abs are toasty. I think Fitness Blender is an awesome program. If you want a really good workout, check out all of their free workout videos. I'm feeling really good. I think the 30 minutes that I spent working out was definitely something that I can accomplish at home and probably get the same amount of sweat in as I would a normal gym. Okay, so I just got done with MadFit's workouts, and I have to say, I actually really enjoyed them. So the full body workout, she had a different exercise for every interval, which I really liked, so I didn't quite know what was coming next. And the ab workout was really good too. She combined a couple of moves that I hadn't seen before, so I thought that was a really unique challenge. So it kept my mind interested, I was engaged, and it made the time go by really fast. The only thing that I didn't like about MadFit is that in the beginning of the video, she talks for a good 50 seconds in both videos. Like just kind of doing an announcement, thanking her followers, which is good and all, but I kind of just want to get to the exercise. So it's not a big deal because you can skip forward in the video, but she did have an ad in the beginning and at the end of the video that you kind of had to wait 5 seconds and then skip and do the workout. So that would be my only con. And the music that she picked, she has music going, which is different than Fitness Blender. I liked the music okay, but a lot of times I'm listening to my own music, so, you know, I could do with or without. All in all, I liked this exercise. It was really good. Oh, and another thing to note is that I did get my heartbeat up to 152 beats per minute, which I think is really close to what I got with Fitness Blender yesterday. So both workouts had me at the same heart rate, and I felt like I was really sweating it out here. Okay, overall, I really liked Chloe Ting's workouts. Definitely felt like I got a good sweat in, and I think I like her better than MadFit. What's the MadFit girl's name? Anyway, I think I like her better because she did a voiceover for each of her workouts instead of talking while she was working out.
Be sure you've got enough space for skeletal touches,
which I enjoyed better because I could more easily understand her that way. And I think she was just more entertaining to watch. She just got right down into business. She had some low modifications or low impact modifications for the workouts. The one thing that was challenging with her workouts were not the exercises, because they were very similar to what I saw with Fitness Blender and MadFit, but the rest time in between those exercises were only 5 seconds. So that really upped the challenge. You're not getting as much of a rest, and so it made the workout more challenging. The full body workout also had some ab exercises in there, and so when I got to the ab exercise video afterwards, my abs were toast. Like, I could barely finish any of the ab routine because we had already worked abs in the full body workout. So I'm gonna show you what my heart rate was for that, exercise, for that workout. Okay, can you see this? I averaged about 131 beats per minute, but I got my heart rate up to 163, which I think was more than MadFit and Fitness Blender. So I'm definitely going to look up more of Chloe's workouts. I think she was really good. I liked her. So it is the last day of the full body workout experiment, and I have 2 folks with me who decided that they want to work out and do it too. So we're gonna get started with Natasha Ocean. Natasha, have you heard of this girl? No. Natasha Ocean is what I'm going to call her. 20-minute full body home workout. I already had to skip forward 55 seconds because she was talking. So here we go.
I really do. She called my head chakra. I started going crazy.
Okay, so we just completed Natasha's workout, and I have to say, one of the things that definitely threw me off is that she didn't announce the next exercise, so there was no voiceover. She wasn't saying what the next exercise was. So you really had to watch the video to see exactly what the next move was going to be. So I didn't really like that very much. What was another thing I didn't like? I didn't like that there was a 15-second rest period in between the exercises. I thought that was just a little bit too long for the exercises that we were doing. The 20-minute HIIT workout, I ended up getting my heart rate up to, I think, 150. Yeah, so I maxed out at 150, and honestly, I forgot to turn on my watch halfway through. So 10 minutes into the workout, I remembered, I put it on, and I maxed out at 150 beats per minute. The ab routine, I guess it was okay. I didn't like how she went from one ab exercise to the other without any break periods in between. So we constantly had to look at the TV to see what she was doing next, and she wasn't giving any instructions as to how to do the various ab exercises. There was one where she's doing a crawling method back and forth and then tapping her knees, and we had to count and look at the video to see exactly how many times you were walking to the left and to the right and then tapping your knees. So I didn't like that very much. I have to say, after doing all of these different exercise routines and checking out the different fitness channels, Natasha might be my least favorite. I mean, somebody's got to be at the bottom, so... Whew. Okay, it's rest day. I've had some time to reflect on all of the workouts. Fitness Blender is still my jam. It has been for several years, but I think I'm going to start incorporating a little bit more of Chloe Ting and MadFit just to get some variety. I absolutely think while we're in quarantine, you can still get a good workout in and do it at home. And I think one of the best ways that you can do this is to incorporate a routine that works best for you. every day at 3 o'clock is when I work out, and so I stop what I'm doing and try to do at least 30 minutes of exercise, and that's really helped me just stay sane during this process. And then after all of this is over, after the lockdown, you might want to consider implementing this into your regular debt-free journey, into your regular lifestyle. I think this is a great way to save money on a gym membership because you're able to get a good workout in and it saves you a lot of money. So comment below if you are into at-home workouts, if you like at-home workouts better, or if you prefer a gym membership. I see the benefits of both, but let me know below.